welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and healthy at your home. So first of all, I hope you have watched last two videos which was based on the topic input devices, where we have discussed so many devices, so many input devices. Alright, now in this video we are going to learn about output device. So my dear student, what is output device? Output device are the peripheral devices which are used to show the entered data or processed information by the computer system, and it's called output device. In a computer system, processed data means whatever the instruction you are giving to computer, in respect of it, computer will give you the output, and that output is known as processed data. So in respect of processed data, it is used to display or get through the output device, right? Whatever the instruction given by you to the computer, it will shown through the output devices. Now we are going to discuss about output devices, some of the output device. So let's start with some examples such as monitor, printers, plotters, projector and speaker. All these output devices we are going to discuss in part number 1. So let's start.
Headphones. Sometimes it referred to as earphones or headphones. These are hardware output device that either plug into computer in-out or speakers. Headphone allow you to listen to audio or watch a movie without disturbing people around you. The picture is an example of USB headphone. The first pair of audio headphones were invented by Nathaniel Baldwin. It spells Nathaniel. Nathaniel Baldwin, Baldwin. In 1910, the US Navy ordered 100 pairs them because they recognized the potential advantages despite many people being skeptical about their usefulness. Headphones come in several shapes and styles. The traditional style looks similar to those shown above. Headphones utilize styrofoam and another soft fabric around the earpiece to provide a comfortable fit around your ear. They also have a plastic or light metal band between each earpiece to connect them together. The most basic type of headphones, earbuds, are small and fit inside your ear. They are usually shaped in a specific way to be as comfortable as possible. Some earbuds come with several sets of different rubber inserts. Depending on the size of the user's ear, they can choose the size of rubber insert that best fits in their ear canal. Now, next is visual display unit. Visual display unit is commonly known for monitors. VDU. Monitors are the main output device of a computer. It forms images from tiny dots called pixels that are arranged in the rectangular form. The sharpness of the image depends upon the number of pixels. There are two kinds of viewing screen used for monitors. First is cathode ray tube and second is flat panel display. Cathode ray tube, it is CRT monitor also. The CRT display is made up of small picture elements called pixels. The smaller the pixels, the better the image clarity or resolution. It takes more than one illuminated pixel to form a whole character, such as the character E in the word help. A finite number of characters can be displayed on the screen at once. The screen can be divided into a series of character boxes, fixed location on the screen where standard characters can be placed. Most screens are capable of displaying 80 characters of data horizontally and 25 lines vertically. There are some disadvantages of CRT monitor, that it is very large in size and it consumes high power, means it consumes high electricity. Now let's talk about flat panel display monitor. The flat panel display refers to the class of video devices that have reduced volume, weight and power requirement in the comparison of CRT. You can hang them on a wall or wear them on your wrist also. Current uses of flat panel display include calculators, video games, monitor, laptop, computer and graphic display. The flat panel display is divided into two categories. First is emissive display and second is non-emissive display. Next is film recorder. A film recorder is a graphical output device which is used for transferring digital image into a photographic film. In this mechanism, the image is fed from a host computer as a raster stream over a digital interface. A film recorder exposes film through various mechanisms. Sound card. Sound cards are responsible for the sound you hear when you play music on the laptop. It is also known as expansion card, which means one can configure the sound card as per their requirement. The sound card acts as the mediating element between the computer and the speaker. In absence of sound card, the speaker would not be able to translate the computer data into sound energy. Since a sound card takes binary data means computer language, that is 0 and 1. Sound card takes binary data input from the computer processor and produce sound. It is best suited under the sound output device category. Next is GPS. GPS stands for Global Positioning System in the satellite-based navigation that makes use of radio signals to locate a particular location. The sender transmits a radio signal to satellite. The satellite collects information regarding time, location, speed, etc. and send it to the receiver's computer for processing. This processed data can be interpreted to get the information and therefore belongs to the set of data output device.